Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video we'll dive into creative variations and healthy swaps for fried rice. Prep the rice so it fries, not steams. Break up cold rice clumps with your fingers or a fork. If you cooked rice today, spread it on a sheet pan and chill it until dry, at least 30 minutes. Pat very wet proteins and veggies dry with a towel. Chop all your ingredients and mix your sauce before you heat the pan. This keeps the cook fast and clean. Start with eggs and aromatics for a tasty base. Heat a tablespoon of oil until it shimmers. Add beaten eggs, scramble until just set and still tender, then remove to a plate. Add a little more oil, then cook minced garlic and the white parts of scallions for 20 to 30 seconds until fragrant. Do not brown the garlic or it will turn bitter. This builds a rich base. Sear the rice on high heat and let it rest. Add rice to the hot pan. Spread and press it into the surface. Let it sit 20 to 30 seconds before tossing so it can brown. Repeat, press, wait, toss. This creates light crispy spots and keeps the grains separate. If the pan looks dry or rice sticks, add a teaspoon of oil around the edges and keep the heat high. Add protein and veggies without watering it down. Use small, quick cooking pieces so they heat fast. Good choices include peas, carrots, corn, bell pepper, small diced chicken, shrimp, ham or tofu. Cook raw meats first in the pan, then remove and add back later to avoid overcooking. Skip water-heavy veggies unless pre-cooked. Fold add-ins into the hot rice so moisture does not build. Sauce like a pro, simple ratios that work every time. Pour in the pre-mixed sauce around the edges so it sizzles and coats the rice. Per 4 cups cooked rice, use about 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and ½ teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Add ½ teaspoon fish sauce or a pinch of MSG if you like depth. For vegan, skip fish sauce and use vegetarian oyster sauce. For gluten-free, use tamari. Return eggs, toss with green scallion tops, and taste for salt. Popular variations, healthy swaps, and quick fixes. You can keep the base the same and change the mix-ins for a new bowl every time. Pick a theme, a few veggies, and a protein or not. Keep the rice dry and the pan hot. That is the path to fried rice that tastes like your favorite spot, right from your kitchen. Quick variations to try tonight. Egg fried rice, extra eggs, white pepper, and scallions. Chicken fried rice, small diced chicken thigh, peas, and carrots. Shrimp fried rice, quick seared shrimp, garlic, and a squeeze of lime. Bacon and corn, crisp bacon bits, sweet corn, and black pepper. Kimchi fried rice, chopped kimchi, a touch of kimchi juice, fried egg on top. Pineapple fried rice, pineapple chunks, bell pepper, and cashews. Curry fried rice, curry powder with peas and carrots. Chili crisp fried rice, a spoon of chili crisp at the end for heat. Optional add-ins, ginger, lime, sriracha, or a drizzle of sesame oil. Make it diet-friendly without losing flavor. Load up on veggies to add volume without heavy calories. Use brown rice for more fiber and a nutty taste. Mix in some riced cauliflower, but cook off its moisture first so it does not steam the dish. Choose low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. For vegan bowls, use tofu or edamame in vegetarian oyster sauce. Keep sesame oil small, just a few drops, for aroma without extra fat. Store, reheat, and meal prep like a pro. Cool cooked rice fast on a tray, then refrigerate in shallow containers for 3 to 4 days. Freeze portions for up to 2 months if needed. Reheat in a hot skillet with a teaspoon of oil or a splash of water. Stir until hot and steamy. For lunches, pack the rice and toss in a handful of frozen peas, which help keep it cool and will thaw by noon. Fix common fried rice mistakes fast. Mushy rice, spread it on a tray, chill, Then refry it hot so it dries and crisps. Bland taste, add a bit more soy, a pinch of salt, or a squeeze of lime for brightness. Pale color, your pan was not hot enough, so preheat longer. Sticky pan, add a little more oil and let the rice sit before you toss again. Too wet, cook in smaller batches so moisture can escape. Bring it all together. Great fried rice comes from dry rice, high heat, short sears, and a simple sauce. Start with the base method once, then try chicken, shrimp, kimchi, or a veggie-packed version next time. Use leftover rice to save money and time, and adjust sauces to your taste. Ready to cook tonight? Share your favorite combo or twist in the comments, and pass this guide to a friend who loves takeout rice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more delicious ideas. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.